Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Toyota Finance account. So watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. First of all, open up a web browser of your choice and type in www.toyotafinancial.com and press enter on your keyboard. After press enter, this is our official web page and click on this login button from here. Type in your username and your password into the login area. If you trouble logging in, and click on this trouble logging in button from here and follow the instructions. If you don't have an account yet, click on this create an account link from here and follow the instructions again. After filling all of your details, click on this login button from here, and that's it. That is how it can be easily done. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.